Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, commenting on them, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here, and I can tell you're going to learn a lot from today's video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is carrots. Carrots has minerals and vitamins that are great for our hair. It nourishes your scalp and also promotes new healthy hair growth. So I wash my carrots and after that I grate it. Anyway, I got this new cheese grater or food grater. It grates any kind of vegetables. It comes with different blade attachments and I just love it. I will leave a link in the description box just in case you want to purchase one for yourself. Carrots can also fight hair loss. So if you're someone who loses hair a lot or experiencing hair breakages, adding carrots to your care routine can be a game changer for you. My next natural ingredients is fenugreek seeds. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video. Alright, so the fenugreek seeds have minerals and vitamins that are really great when it comes to our hair growth. Also, fenugreek seeds contain protein. Protein is very essential when it comes to preventing hair loss and hair shedding. So using fenugreek seeds can strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages. My next natural ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa is also very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. It has minerals and vitamins as well as antioxidants that nourishes the scalp, reduce inflammation, and help make the hair healthier and much more shinier. Adding moringa into your hair care routine will help improve the strength of your hair and also promotes new healthy hair growth. I also added some amla powder. Amla is also great for the hair. It is going to nourish your scalp and follicles to help you grow much thicker and fuller hair. Amla, when added to your hair care routine, can reduce hair shedding and prevent hair loss. So I added about a tablespoon of amla powder to my recipe. Then after that, I added my carrots to it. So after putting everything in a mason jar like so, I'm going to add some warm water to top it up. When you add the warm water, make sure to give it a good stir. And there are a few things I need to show you when it comes to this recipe. It is very important to pay attention, especially if you want to use this to grow your hair or repair your hair damage. This is one of the most powerful DIY recipes that can help promote healthy hair growth and repair damaged hair. So make sure you are paying attention. You do not skip any part of this video because you really have to know the best way to use this in order to get all the benefits. So you can see that all the ingredients have settled at the bottom of the mason jar. And when you look at the color of the water, you can see that it has been really extracted. All the nutrients in these ingredients have been extracted. And it is time to strain this recipe. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms because you might not know who you'll be helping with their hair care and hair growth. Thank you for doing all that. So what I did was I strained this recipe twice. The first one I used the strainer, but because the moringa powder are little particles, they were able to seep through the strainer. So on my second time, I use a paper towel. So always use a material that has tiny holes in order to trap all the powdered ingredients, which are the amla powder and the moringa powder, because you do not want those in your hair. So at this point, I added essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Adding essential oil to this recipe is important because it is going to add to the benefits of this recipe, and also it is going to add to the smell or fragrance of this recipe. After adding that, I give it a good stir, and it is time to transfer this into my spray bottle. Once you have it in the spray bottle, it is ready to be used. If you have any leftovers, you can either put it in the refrigerator for about 5 days or freeze it. And you can always melt it and warm it up whenever you are ready to use it. So you're going to use this as a leave-in. You don't have to rinse it out. Use this as your hair moisturizer. So before you apply your hair moisturizer or whenever your hair feels dry, apply this to your scalp and also onto your hair strands, then massage it in. You can do this at least 4 times a week. Also, whenever you apply this, make sure to go in with a leave-in conditioner to seal in the moisture. If you are consistent with the use, you will come back and thank me later. This recipe is super powerful. You just need to be consistent with the use in order to get all the benefits that you are looking for. So don't wait. Give this a try and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one.